Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safe nectar and prepping the feeder. Boil water, stir in sugar at a 1:4 ratio until clear. This prevents fermentation and bacteria. Once cooled, inspect seals and ports to ensure no leaks. Make sure the feeder's glass or plastic is intact and threads are clean. Replace any worn washers. You fill the feeder only when the solution is room temperature. This protects hummingbirds and prevents damage. Finally, set the filled feeder aside on a towel ready for hanging. You now select the ideal spot and hang the feeder for best results. Place it in partial shade to slow fermentation, about 4-6 feet above ground and 3-5 meters from dense cover where birds can dart. Once done, attach an ant moat and a bee guard to reduce pests and protect nectar. Make sure the hook or bracket is sturdy and the feeder hangs level. Wobble causes spillage and scared hummingbirds. Finally, step back and observe visibility from a window so you can watch without disturbing them. You finish by setting a consistent maintenance routine to keep birds healthy. Replace nectar every 3-5 days in hot weather and about 7 days when cool. Always clean the feeder thoroughly with hot water and a brush at each refill to remove mold. If the solution becomes cloudy or fizzy, empty it immediately, scrub with a 1:1 vinegar solution, rinse well, and refill only when fully dry. If pests or leaks continue, move the feeder slightly or add ant and bee barriers. This usually solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.